Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, slow sales of meat like goat and pork is causing worry among some butchers in Clarendon. This at a time when livestock farmers are preparing for what they anticipate will be a profitable Christmas season. The butchers are, however, not so optimistic. General Perseus explains why.
Some butchers in Clarendon are faced with a major problem.
Goat and pig now sell.
All this meat and no buyers. Consumers now turning to the supermarket to purchase their favorite protein. Cheaper, and it's imported. The butchers share that lately livestock farming is becoming increasingly expensive, mainly due to the high cost of fertilizer. This is why they say customers have been paying more for local pork and goat meat.
Them. Bossy pen, more than one man, boss the ag pen. All they go then ag. Guiding can't feed them, because feed price I. I'm someone who took kill at 10, 15 ag, they can't kill them again. You just sell 4 or 5 ag.